Hey guys, today's going to be a really quick video to explain how to install the spare tire water tank on a Sprinter 170 dually. There wasn't much info online about this, so I'm going to make a really quick video to explain how to do it. It's pretty simple. I'm using the Northwest Conversion 28-gallon SPST28 water tank, and this one will fit on a dually Sprinter. So what you're going to need for this is some cutaway tools. You're going to be using a lot of this, so make sure you have enough blades. Multi-tool with a metal blade is also very helpful. And you're going to need an impact driver, a few different bits to get everything out. So the first thing you're going to notice when you place the tank in is that it just won't fit. The bracket is too small for the tank itself. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the back of the bracket and you're going to notice that there's two bolts. And you can move these bolts to the two top holes, and that's actually going to expand the bracket so that you'll have more room to fit the tank. It still won't fit this way, but you'll have a lot less cutting to do. I didn't realize this until the very end, so I cut way too much off of my bracket. You won't need to do that because you're going to learn from my mistake. So lower the bracket first and then decide how much you need to cut out. Then you're going to mark off where you want to cut and start cutting with a metal grind tool. I recommend starting with the smaller cut and then expanding the size until it fits. Now you won't be able to tell if it actually fits until you cut out these brackets that hold in the spare tire. So we're going to move on to cutting these off until we can see that the tank fits inside the bracket. Now what I think I'm going to do is, instead of cutting the whole thing off, I'm going to measure from the bottom here to 10 inches, which is the height of the water tank. I'm going to cut it there, and then I'm going to take this bottom part, move it up and screw it into the side. So pretty much just shortening this so that it'll fit exactly between here and here, and it can still be tightened and pressed up against this same thing. Before screwing those pieces back on, I put in the tank and tested it to make sure that there was enough space there. And then I primed all the cut pieces, expanded those brackets a little bit, and then screwed them back into place. That way, when I retighten the spare tire basket, it's going to squeeze down on the tank and hold it firmly in place. Okay, I have tightened the spare tire bolts. Now, they are nice and tight, and this thing isn't moving an inch. You have to make sure not to squeeze it down too hard, even though this thing is pretty soft. And that's pretty much it. If anything wasn't clear, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section or send us a message. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more tips and more videos like this, as well as videos of the vans we're currently building. Alrighty, thanks guys, and see you on the next one.